This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, hello there, friends! Today we're going to play with lots of different fruits. And I think we'll start with this one! Do you know what it is? It's a delicious strawberry! We'll make one with this cutter and stamp. Now tell me, what color is a strawberry? Yes, they're red! Spooshy, spishy, splat! Let's make the dough nice and flat. I'll need a rolling pin for the rest. The more I roll, the flatter it gets. Perfect. So this part makes the outline of our fruit. And this one adds all the little details. Wow, it looks like a real strawberry. Check this out, friends. Am I right? The top part is the stem, and these are the seeds. The top is green and leafy. Here it goes. We never eat that part. Yuck! Now I'll add the little seeds. Strawberries are a yummy, healthy snack. Do you like strawberries? What letter does strawberry start with? The letter S. Let's work on this fruit next. Bim bam, bapes! Our next fruit is grapes. And what color are grapes? Purple! That's right! Not all grapes are purple, though. They can be green, or yellow, black, or pink. It's time for our rolling pin. Hey, did you know that raisins are actually grapes that have dried up? Isn't that cool? The dough is ready. Now we can make our grape shape. Don't forget the stamp. I can hold on to this and push it down. Did it work? It did! Hooray! But we should add a little more color, shall we? Grapes also have stems. These cling to the vines on which grapes grow. My favorite type of grape is grape jelly. Yum! And the word grapes starts with the same letter as good, grin, and gum. The letter G. G for grapes. This one looks interesting, friends, but I'm not really sure what it is. Of course, it's an apple. And apples grow on trees. Since our apple is green, we need green dough. Hey, it already looks like an apple. But I'll smish, smash, smoosh it to make a better one. Here's a super awesome fact. There are over 7,500 different kinds of apples. Wowie, that's a huge number. Remember the next step? Yes, we need to cut out the sides. Then we will push in the stamp. You can do lots of different things with apples. You can make pies and cakes. You can even make candy apples. But I love eating apples just as they are. Look at this nice little apple we've got here, friends. We should add a stem and a leaf to the top. Here it goes. Well, this is our apple. And the word apple starts with the letter A, like ant, animal, and art. Ooh, Ooh, our next fruit shape is hiding in the magic candy dish. Let's see. This is the outside. And this is the inside. It's a pineapple, and this fruit comes from South America. I think I'll use yellow for this fruit. To grow your own pineapple, you take the leafy top and plant it into the ground. You can try doing that. Rolling pin time! All right, I hope this will work. Extra dough, go away. We will use you another day. Out comes the stamp. Hop! And up comes the cutter. And we're left with a particularly perfect pineapple. Its top is called the crown and is made out of hard, spiky green leaves. And the skin is rough and bumpy, too. You can't eat the skin at all. It would be like eating bark. But the inside of this fruit is juicy and sweet. Just a few more lines and we'll be done. Well, friends, this is what a pineapple looks like. Doesn't it look yummy? And the word pineapple starts with the letter P, P for pie, pig, and plant, and for a pineapple. The magic candy dish has something else in it. Wow! What is it? I know. It's a watermelon, and it's my most favorite fruit of all. Watermelons have a green outside but a red inside, so I'll use red dough for this one. Squish, squish, squash. I like this bit the best. Beep boop bin. Here comes the rolling pin. Watermelons are bigger than most fruit. That's why I'm only making a watermelon slice this time. Here's the stamp. Ooh, I think we did it, friends. Time for the big reveal. Yay! What a wonderful watermelon we've got here. The outside is called the rind, and inside is the bit you can eat. The rind is green and doesn't taste very good. It looks like a big green smile, doesn't it? And inside, you'll find little black seeds. You'd better not eat them, too. I just need one more seed. There, it's a nice-looking watermelon slice. And the word watermelon begins with the letter W. Wow! Hit like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye for now.
Let's go. See you later, Rose.
Bye, have fun.
Thorn and Bucky are out on some wild mint expedition, and all the food at the Buttercup is mine for the taking. Wait, what if it's a trick? What if Thorn expects me to go into the kitchen and has it booby-trapped so the minute I set my paw inside, I'm caught in a terrible net? Ugh. I won't give Thorn the satisfaction. I'm going to walk away from the Buttercup and go take a nice nap. You may fly off now.
Oh, this is perfect! It's sunny and nice! The best place for making my nature collage! But there aren't many flowers. I can take care of that for you. Meantime, why don't you use those weeds? They're part of nature too. Great idea. Thank you, Daffodil. Hi, Bee. Bye, Bee. Please go away. Another bee? I can't pick weeds if you all keep interrupting
Spearmint. Hey there, Genevieve. Everything all right?
Not really, Zinnia. I'm trying to make a nature collage for Rose, and I wasn't going to tell anyone. It's a surprise.
Don't you worry. We won't tell Rose.
But I can't make my collage because these bees keep buzzing around me.
I'll go talk to the lilybuds. I'm sure someone knows how to speak bee.
I'm on it, Zinnia. I'll go talk to those bees for Genevieve right now.
And I'll go prepare some bee sting ointment for you, just in case.
There's Rose. This is a surprise for her. Quick, go before she asks what you're doing.
Hi, did you see which way Cap and Thistle went?
No, why would we?
Well, that way? But never mind, because, Spearmint and I need your help with something very important.
We do? Oh, I mean, we do. Rose, please help us on an emergency mission that does not involve going near the woods at all.
Of course, if you think I could help.
Definitely. Hop on!
That's it, Bucky. Sniff out that peppermint. Chef Thorne, look, it's Ellery taking a nap. I knew that chipmunk was lurking outside the buttercup.
You mean when we were talking about how he could just walk into the kitchen and take all the food?
Yes, but he didn't, which means he must have thought that I booby-trapped the kitchen and decided not to break in.
But did you booby-trap the kitchen?
Of course not, it's too much work. But I made Ellery think I did. So clever of me.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Okay, they said Genevieve is plucking out all the weeds, and they need them for nectar.
I thought bees ate nectar from flowers.
Some weeds have even more nectar than flowers. Buzz, buzz, buzz. They love these weeds. So they asked if you could go somewhere else and do your art project, Genevieve.
But that's so unfair. I just wanted to make a present for Rose. Genevieve, wait.
Oh, great idea! Buzz, 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 buzz.
We've been riding a while. Where's the emergency?
Almost there, right, Spearmint?
Right around this corner.
Hi, Rose. Did you like your surprise? What did Mama Duck say?
I have no idea. No time to stop now. Faster, Spearmint, faster.
Just like old Thorne said. No booby traps. Guess he's just too lazy.
I'm really fast at sniffing out peppermint, aren't I, Chef Thorne?
You sure are, Bucky. And now to add the mint to the ice cream. On second thought, Bucky, let's have plain ice cream. I'll just put it back into the cooler.
But what should I do with all this mint?
Someone will want it. Let's check with the lilybuds. Come on.
Thorne, you think you're so clever. But I was the clever one today. I almost wish I could see the look on your face when you come back and see the ice cream gone.
Stop right there, chipmunk.
How did you know Ellery was here?
Take a whiff, Bucky. What do you smell?
I smell mint. Ah, right. You smell like mint because you were taking a nap in it.
That's right, Bucky. I caught a whiff of it the minute I walked in. That, along with that pea, which doesn't belong there, told me there was an intruder. Guess you were your own booby trap, Ellery. Goodbye.
Doing great, Spearmint. You kept Rose away from Genevieve, and she didn't even notice.
Are you crying? What's wrong?
I wanted to make you a nature collage because you were always so nice to me and teach me about nature. But then the bees came and I couldn't get it done. And now you're here and I don't have anything.
Oh, Genevieve, it was a lovely thought.
There you are. Hi, Rose. Come quickly. Cap has something to show you.
I told the bees what you were trying to do, and they loved the idea. So, after they took their nectar, they made this for you.
Oh, it's beautiful. But I didn't make it myself.
The bees wanted me to tell you